Please subscribe and comment below to be entered in the contest. Official rules can be found at the end of this video or in the comment section below.
Hey folks, it's Brian with Team JTR.Spartacus here at Pristine Auto, getting JTR.Spartacus all cleaned up. And stay tuned for a giveaway.
Off-roading in JTR.Spartacus gets it really dirty, but we've got partners at Pristine to get us clean. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. And just comment below to enter. Please subscribe and comment below to be entered in the contest. Go ahead and hit that notification bell to get updates. Time to get all cleaned up. Okay, Team JTR.Spartacus, here's what we got for prizes. From Pristine, we've got a Pristine hat, Bead Maker Paint Protectant, Express Interior Cleaner, Iron Buster, and Reset Car Shampoo. From JTR.Spartacus, we got a Quadratech $25 gift card and an Amazon $25 gift card. And from our JPEGs partners, we've got a set of JPEGs mirrors for your Jeep. Sorry about the wind, but we're all cleaned up after that wash at Pristine, and here we are, looking great. So we'll randomly select from the comments below in 2 weeks, and then we'll make a follow-up video announcing the winners. So stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that notification bell to get updates. Thanks for watching, and please comment and subscribe to be entered in this giveaway. See you on the trails.